What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I wash my wigs the proper and thorough way. First, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you pretty much drench the hair in water thoroughly all around before you start applying any product to it. You're gonna notice that as you're washing your wig, well, just pretty much applying the water when you wring it out, it's gonna have like the water is going to be a different color, and that is just because you have put so much product in the wigs, and also too just any dirt and buildup, sweat, all of that is going to be in this mixture. So right here I'm taking my OGX shampoo and I'm going to pretty much just use just a little bit, not too much, and apply it all over. I want to aim pretty much for the lace part. I'm not really too focused on the actual bundles of the wig, but just mainly just focusing on that closure or frontal part, because that's where usually we use the most, pretty much just how do we lay our wigs, and also it's directly on our forehead, so we're sweating, we're just getting all types of stuff in it. So you want to make sure that you're cleaning any makeup, any buildup from this part of the wig. And you can put the shampoo all over the wig, but I just focus on the lace. So once you're done pretty much scrubbing the lace with the shampoo, you want to go ahead and make sure that you rinse it out thoroughly. Do not leave any suds, any shampoo residue in this lace. I'm telling you, for the best results, make sure that you rinse it out very good. Even if you have to rinse it 2-3 times, just make sure you get all the suds out before you move on to the next step. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Pantene Repair conditioner. This conditioner is the best conditioner for your wigs, especially the curly ones, because it's going to make these curls pop right back, and your wig is going to be so soft, and it's going to be like brand new once you're done. But you just want to go ahead and take a nice amount. I'm a over conditioned person, so I put a whole lot of conditioner on it, but you can use as much as you want to. Just make sure that you are pretty much covering the whole wig, and then you want to take your paddle pretty much your paddle brush or dimming brush, whatever you choose to use, and make sure you're detangling this hair while the conditioner is. Never detangle hair while you have shampoo in it, because no, just don't do that. Conditioner tends to have more slip to it, and it's easier that way to detangle your hair. You see these curls, and it haven't even been sitting yet, but yep. So we're just gonna let that sit there, and we're gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. Let it get a chance to marinate, and then you can come back and rinse it out. Alright, so right here I'm just going ahead and rinsing out that conditioner. You want to make sure that you get it out as thorough as possible. Do not leave any conditioner in the hair whatsoever, because once it goes to the drying process, it's not going to dry right, and it's going to be basically dry product in the hair, and that defeats the whole purpose of washing the wig. So yep, you just want to make sure that you rinse it out completely. These are my results, and you just pretty much just hang it up wherever you need to. If you don't have anywhere to hang it up, just put it on your mannequin head or your camera head and let it dry overnight, or you can blow dry it. I tend to let all my wigs dry overnight for best results. Alright, so these are my final results after washing the wig. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.